In this module of properties of matter, we are going to see very important property, that is elasticity. So, let us begin with the properties of matter. According to Newton, matter contains solid, massy, hard, impenetrable and movable particles. Matter consists of 4 states, namely solid, liquid, gas and plasma. Elasticity is mostly related to the solid state of matter. We can call any mass that occupies volume as matter. If we consider the classical treatment for matter, it exhibits the following properties. Matter has mass, matter occupies space. Matter is indestructible, which means it can be transformed from one form into another. Matter is indivisible. Matter is compressible. Now, let us see what is elasticity. It is the property of a body by virtue of which it retains its original shape and size after being stretched, compressed, twisted or bent. That is, as long as a deforming force is applied to the object, one can observe change in its size or shape. Such a deformation will disappear when the deforming force is removed. If the original shape and size of the deformed body is regained when the deforming force is removed, then such a body is called as perfectly elastic body. Such a kind of deformation is called elastic deformation. This property is observed in materials such as rubber, steel, copper, silver, glass, etc. If the original shape and size of the deformed body is not regained when the deforming force is removed, then such a body is called as perfectly plastic body. Such a kind of deformation is permanent and called as plastic deformation. This property is observed in materials such as wax, plasticine, lead, etc. In real life, there is no body which is perfectly elastic or perfectly plastic. However, to give an example of an elastic body, one can consider quartz, while in case of a plastic body, one can consider putty or wet clay. Let us define deforming force. The deforming force is an external force which causes a change in either size or shape or both of the body. On the contrary, restoring force is defined as the internal force of a body due to which body retains its original shape and size is known as restoring force. Let us see some of the properties of restoring force. Restoring force acts in opposite direction to the force of deformation. It is directly proportional to the deforming force. The restoring force is equal to the deforming force with the maximum value at the time of maximum deformation.